What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's vlog, I have something a little bit different. It is going to be all about organization. This pantry right here and this fridge right here definitely need some organization. They need some streamlined processes to go into place ASAP because it is driving my OCD crazy. So if you are interested in seeing how to get organized, then just keep watching. Okay, first let's take a look at how absolutely insane this pantry is. And there just is a lot of stuff. And some of it has its place, but it just needs to be more streamlined, more organized. Obviously, we don't need toolboxes in the bottom, the blender. Nothing has its place as it should. So what I'm going to do is I took the liberty of going to HomeGoods and getting an absolute boatload of different baskets, pretty much in the white or gray metal tone, just so I can see how organized and streamlined I can get everything. So let's get started. Start by taking out what I can. Okay, I'm gonna start off by finding a basket, and I'm gonna pull a couple and just start setting them places to see if I can find things to fit and fill them properly. Like, obviously I wouldn't put cans in this basket. Let's see where we go. You know, the great thing about this too is you can not only organize your items, but you can separate them. Like, I was thinking we can just do just sweets in this basket, and we can do just little snacks in this basket. And then move all of the boxes up here. Now I have to find a home for these guys. I also have two of these that I recently got from Costco, and I absolutely love them. They even have these little handles that turn up so you can carry them with you. Here we are. So just as a little overview, I basically took everything I had existing and I just tried to make it better. So we'll start at the bottom. I did my water, my towels, my apron, some cookbooks, and then over here we have some vitamins and medicine. Moving up to the next shelf, we have some canisters. Moving on, we have some extra place settings. So extra plates, extra napkins, extra silverware. And then in here, we have some straws. Moving over to our disposable cups, silverware, plates, and then our garbage and aluminum foil. Why we have 15 aluminum foils, I could not tell you. Moving up to the next shelf, these are my Costco baskets. It came in a pack of 2. And this one I put cans. This one I did snacks. I just kept this box for loose oatmeal. This one is sweets. And then in between I just put some bags. And then in this back one we just have all the canisters. And then moving up to this one, we have our tea and all of our boxes. And then over here we have our oils and things that need to stand up. This is some salt, baking powder, and some seasoning packets, and then bread. And then here we're moving to lunch boxes, and then finally the servingware. So I just stacked it up there along with all of my lifetime supply of paper towel. And then down here, I just stored my mixer for now. Obviously, I'm gonna find a permanent home for it, but I think it looks so much better than it used to. Now we're moving on to the fridge. For me, this is so much more simple because you can stack them in the same way that you do a pantry, but there's much less items. So obviously in your doors, all of your bottles and then drinks. And then here, obviously in the bins, I'm gonna move vegetables in one, cheeses in another, and then just get this organized and more aesthetically pleasing. All right guys, and as you can see now, everything is easy to see and easy to have access to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this organizing with me video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel and find me on my social media. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.